how to hide a photo or a reel, any kind of post on your Instagram without actually deleting it, because maybe you don't want others to see it, but you still want to be able to go back and have the memory. It's actually really simple to do, and the way that we're going to do this is by archiving. So you want to go ahead, open up the app, make sure to tap down on the bottom right hand corner to get to your actual profile, and then in here you want to go ahead and select the post that you are wanting to hide from others. So we can go ahead and maybe select this post here. Then what I want to do is go to the three horizontal lines in the upper right hand corner. We're going to tap on this, and then we want to go to where it says archive. So I'll go ahead, tap on archive, and now it is not going to be seen on our page. But let's say that you want to be able to go see it later. So what you want to do to see all the photos that you have archived is go to the three horizontal lines in the upper right hand corner. We're going to tap on this, if it will work there, and then we want to go to the section that says archive. So we can go ahead, tap there, and now I'm going to be able to see all of the posts that I have archived. So this is stories right here. What we want to do is go ahead and tap on this, and then we want to go down to our post archives, and then there it is. That's the one that I just went and hid off of my page. So this is how you can hide a photo, hide a post, a reel, whatever it is, while still being able to go and view it for yourself. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.